Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to connect your car with your Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on connected devices. From here, you will find the option of Android Auto. Just tap on it, then tap on connect a vehicle. Now there are two methods to connect your smartphone with your vehicle. You can either connect your smartphone wirelessly or you can connect your smartphone with a cable. Let's check the wireless option first. For that, just tap on connect using wireless Android Auto. Then tap on turn on. Now there are two options to connect your smartphone wirelessly with your car. You can press a button on the steering wheel of your car to connect your smartphone with your car. And if your car does not have this button on the steering wheel, you can connect your smartphone using Bluetooth. For that, just tap on connect using Bluetooth. Now, if your car supports wireless Android Auto, just tap on pair a vehicle, and from here your smartphone will start scanning. And if it detects your car, the name of your car will be shown right here. Just tap on the name of your car to connect your car with your smartphone. Now, if your car does not support wireless Android Auto, then you can connect your smartphone with your car using your charging cable. Just connect one end of your charging cable to your smartphone and connect the other end of your charging cable to your car, as it is shown right here. And this is how you can connect your car to your Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.